Hello everyone, I'm Rudrani and welcome to Speak Easy. Today I have very special guests and we are going to talk about things that make your heart beat faster. I'm going to talk about love. Very special guests, Saqib Saleem and Nidhi. Hello.
Hello.
Namaste.
How are you?
Kaise?
Namaste. We are going to talk about things that make the heart go faster. Race
My heart is
faster.
already racing faster because this is the first interview I've given in many years.
Pandemic के बीच में तो heart is racing a little faster.
Yeah, this is actually my first interview, like a sit-down interview in the last 2.5 years. Everything else was on a Zoom call, so it's very nice to do this, Rudrani.
I know. Jasmine and Jaspal are also supposed to be people who are opposites attract. Do you believe in the concept of opposites attract the best sort of for love?
I don't know, man. I'm still trying to figure out what love is. I'm 33 years old, and every year my definition of love changes.
What's your current definition of love?
I think I'd go back to कुछ कुछ होता है and say प्यार दोस्ती है. So, अगर वो मेरी सबसे अच्छी दोस्त नहीं हो सकती, तो मैं उससे प्यार नहीं कर सकता. So I think I'm in that phase in life right now. And also what our film also says, ऐसा वैसा प्यार. It's an anthology of it's a 4-part anthology. And what primarily the film also speaks about is different definitions of love at different points of time in your life.
क्या प्यार दोस्ती है? How dramatic it sounds when you
Yeah,
say
yeah,
it like
yeah,
that.
I know.
From Saqib, you brought out all the drama in us.
Always.
but what do you think about that? About this entire
My definition.
current definition? Chalo, it's I understand.
Yeah, I have always thought of it this way that love is it happens in phases. You can be in a love relationship, but you're not always particularly in love, and you can be not in a loving relationship or be single, but feel that feeling of love. You know, for whatever reason. So love happens to you in
ज़्यादा हो गया
phases.
मेरे लिए तो मुझे नहीं समझ.
ये तो प्यार दोस्ती है कहते
इसे खत्म कर दिया.
हैं. He gave a very logical explanation. My thing is, I think it's
More
something you feel.
spiritual, more-
It's something you feel. You can feel
वो
like you're
मेरे
in love.
आएगा 1 साल में वो भी फेज आएगा मुझे लग रहा है.
ऐसा तो हो नहीं सकता कभी नहीं आया Saqib. Are you telling me that you never felt like that?
I think I'm a
doesn't-
hardcore lover. I
Oh,
love
God.
every girl I've been with in my life. I've loved that person at some point. But at that point, my definition of love was different. But I think I've never gone. There was this girl in college. She was a year senior to me. And I was madly, obsessively in love with her.
Really?
And I thought she was out of my league. So first I befriended her. I became her best friend. I became her best friend. And then one day on Valentine's Day, I wrote her a poem. And so I'd known her for about 4 months. So every restaurant we'd gone to, I'd collected bills, movie tickets, and it made a whole collage
So sweet.
of the chronology of events as to we met this date, this is what we did, this is what we did, and and then I wrote her a poem. Yeah,
That is
and
so cute.
I recorded it on a cassette and I played it when she entered college.
Did you have a John Cusack moment?
Yeah,
Wow.
kind
You had it?
It is that moment, isn't
है
it?
ना?
तो हो गया ऐसा तो बहुत किया है यार मतलब I'm from Delhi what do you expect from people from Delhi we're just loud in general.
What's one very filmy thing you've done in love, or someone's done for you? Whatever.
I've not done much. That's the truth. I'm just someone very dramatic and everything. So I just give very dramatic reactions, and I give very honest reactions.
Okay.
But my ex, he actually one of my birthdays, I was in the middle of some family stuff and everything, so I missed my birthday with him. So the day I landed in Bombay, he's like, "We'll go out for dinner." So I said, "Okay." And he's like, I've gotten something for you and all, and you'll find it in your cupboard." So he had already placed it and created like a treasure hunt for me and everything.
Aw.
Then he came to pick me up. He's like, "Oh, we'll just stop at my house for a bit, and then I just need to pick up something. Come up. And then we'd head." So I said, "Okay." "Oh, there's a new restaurant." And something, he gave it a name and everything, and I said, okay. And I came up, and then he's like, "Can you just like go into that room and just get me something like that?" So I went and opened the room, and he had changed the entire room into a restaurant, and he had created like a full menu which he had cooked.
Really?
And everything. So yeah. I immediately I entered.
किया था उसने?
Yeah.
Men who can cook,
He had
man.
cooked, and
Oh my
and
God.
he used to never
इनको
cook. That
हटाओ
was
इस
the first
दुनिया
time he
से
cooked.
इतना प्रेशर बढ़ जाता है पता है लाइफ में.
Obviously, I entered and it like took me good 30 seconds to realize that, oh, this is the this is the place that he wants to take me.
Yeah.
And I'm like, "Did you do this?" And he's like, "Yeah, what would you like to order?" And then I started crying.
Oh, listen, whoever. इनके
Yeah.
लिए ताली तो बनती है.
No, no.
That's so sweet.
He's a solid guy, yeah.
Yeah, he's a solid guy. I'm
Yeah.
so happy for you. This is how it should be. अब जसपाल का जो कैरेक्टर है आपका, उसको बड़ी चिढ़ मचती है बिकॉज समवन नो वन कैन डिस्टर्ब हिम व्हाइल इज वाचिंग अ फिल्म बिकॉज ही इज दिस फिल्म buff and it's like a no फॉर हिम and all of that. What's a no for the two of you in your relationships, like or in a person that you're dating?
Body odor.
What's like a
Body odor.
complete?
It can destroy me. It can like
Has it happened?
yeah. Yeah. I've been in a situation where I faced certain adversities.
I can't take like hypocrites and double-faced people. I can't do it. I love authenticity, and the minute that's lacking, I'm just out. It's
Which
very,
is
and the other physical thing for me is chew sounds. If somebody's eating in front of me and there's a chew sound,
Like
yeah,
that.
I cannot hear them. I'm just like, okay, I just lost the conversation completely. That happens.
What's the most annoying quality that you have found in each other?
I think she.
Sakib does not let me speak.
Okay.
He does not let me speak for myself.
Okay.
He speaks for me all the time.
तो मैंने कहा तुम क्यों इतनी मेहनत करो, मैं हूं ना तुम्हारे लिए मेहनत करने के लिए यार, क्या यार.
He's very sweet.
I think she's overcritical about herself, not about any and everything around, but about herself. She is very overcritical, and sometimes I feel like she can go easy on herself.
Both of you have struggled in the beginning and
I
have
thought I'm
developed.
still struggling. I feel.
Yeah.
Like every day is a hustle, yeah.
Yeah,
every
every
day
day.
is a hustle.
Every day feels like
Like to get this interview with you was a struggle. You don't think so? Like I said, I only want to do an interview with Rutrani.
I would
And
have
she's like,
said that.
She's not free. She's not free.
I was told
I
Sakib is
was
very busy and he
shaking
doesn't
like
want to
a
come.
leaf when I got to know I'm doing this interview.
With you.
With you and with you. I was like, oh my god, my first
Kaise
interview.
bhi?
I'm like
After the
itne-
lockdown.
Jokes apart, I genuinely mean what I said. That, and I think I can speak for Nidhi also because we talk a lot about these things. That the struggle never ends. You and you define what your struggle is. Matlab, for me, every day to wake up and to reach out to people who I want to work with, and sometimes not getting through to them, sometimes getting through to them. It's an ongoing process that will keep going on, I feel like, till eternity. Because I want to work with everybody in the business. I have too many favorites. Like when people ask me, give your top director, I don't have one director. I want to work with everybody. It's one life.
But what about you?
No, but I'm just saying that, talent is one thing and that's a gift that comes from above and you're born with it or whatever it is. But the skill set, it's an ongoing thing and you're developing it constantly and being able to handle the struggle and, being able to access certain things, not access certain rooms and all of that. But how you talk to people, how you get access, how you keep at it every single day, do the right thing.
Entry in the room is still difficult.
Yeah. So that is the development of the skill set, and I think the struggle is there for us to be able to hone that and hopefully, pass it on or however whatever course life takes us. So
I don't think I would enjoy if there's no struggle.
yeah.
If it was easy, then I wouldn't.
It
want
would
to
be
do
boring.
this. Yeah, it would be boring. I'd get bored and be like, okay, I can do this. But I read something on Instagram that I really, really resonated with, which said, it's not you who changes. It's the people around you who change. Their sense of expectancy from you after you've achieved something for yourself changes. They want people who are like, I know so many of my relatives who didn't give a rat's ass as to what I was doing in Bombay, now want pictures with me. Now they want me to hold their children make them sit in my lap and they want to call me chachu. Like long lost, dur daraz ke cousins now
Exactly.
are calling me incessantly, or college seniors who I wasn't even friends with are calling me for their weddings and they expect me to come there, and if I don't show up,
You're snooty.
I'm snooty and I get sent messages which are like, oh, ab tu bahut bada ho gaya hai and stuff like that. So yes, of course that happens, but I feel like you got to be sure that you are being authentic. And especially I feel like you know who your people are.
Yeah.
I know my people. And if I change for my people, then it is a problem.
The only difference I feel is that I'm taken a lot more seriously now because I'm a bit of a happy-go-lucky person and everything. So because of that demeanor of mine, I don't think people expect me to have opinions and like a strong opinion, and I have strong opinions. So if I say something, I'm still I'm listened to now, taken a little more seriously, and people are nicer. But I have always been lucky, like touch wood. I've worked with I've I've always ended up working with really nice people.
On that note, thank you so much.
Thank
both of
you.
Lots of love. अब ज़्यादा नहीं, ऐसा वैसा प्यार, पता नहीं कैसा प्यार, but बहुत प्यार.
ऐसा और वैसा.
ऐसा प्यार. Thank you so much. This was really fun with the cast of Aisa Vaisa Pyar. But conversations about love never end. So we'll be meeting another pair from this fantastic film. See you right after the break, right here.
मेरा दिल का तार छेड़े वो ही राग तू देख,
एहसास
तेरा मेरा पागलपन तू देख, है प्यार क्या.
Have you all crushed on your friends and did that turn out to be good or did that turn out to sort of go the other way?
Unfortunately, I never had good-looking friends.
Ouch! Preet, don't take it personally.
Thank you so much. It was a nice interview. Bye.
Welcome back after the break. We are still talking about love and we continue to do that. पर इस बार हम डिबेट करेंगे कि एक लड़का लड़की दोस्त नहीं बन सकते. क्यों नहीं बन सकते? And to continue that topic, I have very special guests, the adorable and very talented Ehsaas and Preet Kamani joining me on the show. Welcome.
Hello. बन सकते हैं, बिल्कुल बन सकते हैं. लड़का और लड़की दोस्त बन सकते हैं.
हाँ, मेरे कितने सारे लड़के दोस्त हैं. मुझे लगता है मेरे लड़के ही दोस्त हैं because I feel like women can't understand me.
This really?
Yeah.
No.
I think-
No, sister. Don't say that.
No, sister. I have a female. I have a few female friends, but the way my guy friends understand me, I think. I don't know. I feel like I'm more comfortable with guys than girls. I have the good men around me. I'm very lucky with men.
Actually प्रॉब्लम ये नहीं है कि दो दोस्त नहीं रह सकते, मतलब लड़का और लड़की दोस्त नहीं रह सकते. आई थिंक प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम रहना नहीं चाहते ना आज के टाइम में.
That's true.
सिर्फ दोस्त.
I think जब दो लोग होते हैं लड़का लड़की जब बहुत अच्छे दोस्त होते हैं तो वो फिर ना उनको चुल मचती है कि कुछ और ट्राई करके देखें.
क्या चुल मचती है बताओ जरा.
कि दोस्त हैं हम, ठीक है, फिर
Organic chemistry.
कुछ करते हैं कोशिश.
हार्मोन
हाँ, फिर वो फिर जाके खराब हो जाती है चीजें.
पीयर प्रेशर. बियर प्रेशर. बट जैसे स्कूल में फॉर एग्जांपल जब हम बैठते थे तो हमेशा बोला जाता था कि लड़कियां ये बेंच पे ये रो में बैठेंगी, लड़के यहाँ पे बैठेंगे. तो ऑब्वियसली वी ऑलवेज हैड दैट कि हाँ यार हम तो दोस्त नहीं हो सकते. बचपन से हमारे दिमाग में ये डाला जाता है कि लड़कियों की लाइन अलग, लड़कों की लाइन अलग, which is actually important also क्योंकि लड़के बड़े कमीने भी होते हैं. तो उनको अलग रखना भी जरूरी है.
But even in your story, platonic friendships can be just friendships, ना?
Yeah.
उसमें प्यार आना ही आना है जरूरी नहीं है, right?
Right. I think which is why this particular episode is and this particular story is so special because इसमें सिर्फ दोस्ती दिखाई है कि दोस्त, इसमें literally दिखाया है कि दोस्ती प्यार है और प्यार दोस्ती है. तो और वो बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुली आप आगे देखेंगे. मैं स्पॉयलर्स नहीं देना चाहती बट आप देखोगे कि हमने सब एक्सप्लोर करने की भी कोशिश की और फिर क्या होता है एंड हाउ वी फील अबाउट ईच अदर. एंड आई थिंक फ्रेंडशिप इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एवरीवेयर एंड इट इज़ सो like nicely said and the story itself is amazing. When I heard it for the first time I genuinely loved it.
यार एक्चुअली प्यार करने से ज़्यादा प्यार दिखाना बहुत ज़रूरी हो गया आजकल. यू नो मैं काफ़ी बार ओल्ड स्कूल हम बात करते हैं. वाकई में बहुत लोग ओल्ड स्कूल है, मैं खुद हूँ.
You're old school?
या
Very old school.
I'm an old soul.
है ना. राइट स्वाइप के ज़माने में चिट्ठी पढ़ने वाले को ढूंढ रहे हैं हम.
I know.
Poems लिखने
कोई लिख ही नहीं रहा हमारे लिए.
चिट्ठियाँ नहीं लिख रहा, बताओ मैसेज
इमोटी कौन से बात हो रही
मोटी
है.
कौन से बात हो रही है, हार्ट भेज देते हैं वहीं पे हम खुश हो
Emojis.
जाते हैं.
इट्स रियली अनोइंग.
Have you all crushed on your friends and did that turn out to be good or did that turn out to sort of go the other way?
Unfortunately, I never had good-looking friends.
Ouch! Preet, don't take it personally.
Thank you so much. It was a nice interview. Bye.
Karwal hota.
I'm talking about my college
No,
friends.
she's talking about a real friends, Preet.
मेरे जो दोस्त हैं
जी.
वो सब इतने कुछ ज़्यादा सुंदर नहीं दिखते. सॉरी गाइज. जो और सुंदर लड़के हैं वो सब कमिटेड है. हाँ.
Friends are
How
taken.
good looking he is, but then he is not available. People are not.
क्या ऐसे करते हैं ना
available
आजकल
then.
ये
ऐसे.
ऐसे.
मेरे
So
कान में
why?
आके किसने बोला he's not dating and I don't believe it because you are so good looking and you can't be not dating somebody.
I'm single and I'm really looking forward to a great
Beautiful relationship.
Yes.
Very. It
seriously,
wasn't convincing. ऐसा
That's
क्या लगा?
bullshit.
है ना?
यार ये प्रॉब्लम क्या है. एक तो एक्टर होना इतना बड़ा मतलब प्रॉब्लम है ना, क्योंकि सब जब भी कोई सच्ची बात करता हूँ कोई मानता ही नहीं है, कहते हैं एक्टिंग कर रहे हैं. आई एम अ वेरी फिल्मी पर्सन. I love to make grand gestures to make other people feel good.
Single and available. DMs are open. DMs are open, ना?
एहसास चनान जरा बता दो.
Guys, Preet is available. आप इनको रिश्ते भेज सकते हैं.
पर सिर्फ एहसास के लिए भी ना. एहसास available?
I think she's totally.
You got to do it in the show as well. खुद गाना वाना गाया मैंने सुना है आपने.
गाना तो गाया है.
In the film.
तो एक गाना है तू देख. तुझसे हुआ दिल ये जब रूबरू अनजानी राहों पे था क्या मैं कहूँ बुद्धू से दिल की थी एक आरज़ू तेरा था मैं मेरी हो जा अब तू देख कभी दूर दूर कभी पास पास तू देख मेरा दिल का तार छेड़े वो ही राग तू देख
एहसास
तेरा मेरा पागलपन तू देख है प्यार क्या
प्रीत आप मुंबई आ सकते हैं.
आप आ सकते हैं ये. Things change after some things really work, right? But obviously, both of you, I think, you all have worked really hard to be where you are today. But I want to know if things around you change and the people around you change once you become massively popular, and how that affects you.
Like my friends and my family, we never really discuss. I know they're proud of me. I know that they're happy and they share my work and they're my biggest cheerleaders. But ऐसे कोई change नहीं आया and I'm actually not expecting the change either because I think I'm good with them not changing.
Yeah.
I definitely see. I'm getting like offers. I'm getting better offers right now. Like casting. लोग थोड़ा और इज्जत से बात करते हैं. मैम पहले ऐसा
नहीं होता था.
मैम बोलते हैं. तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं. I'm trying to not sound very arrogant when I say this, but I have been working since I was little and I have always been sorry.
Oh my friend Ganesha, तू रहना साथ हमेशा.
I see your do you see your pictures that they make memes of when you were little and
Yeah,
then
there is this one meme where मेरा कभी अलविदा ना कहना का बच्चा हूँ मैं और ऐसे स्पाई like अरे chicken little grew chicken little looks like this. I'm like yeah, and it's uncanny how similar Chicken Little and I look.
हाँ एकदम chicken tikka.
But being a child artist also give you perspective to sort of handle the industry better, no? And be more real, right?
Yeah, that's what I was saying. So I have grown up with a lot of limelight and a lot of attention around me. Like even in school I was always not a normal child. I always had a little more attention from everybody.
Yeah.
So I think I'm also very used to that.
Yeah,
So which is why like today I don't really notice if something is happening. I'm just like very
Chill.
Yeah, chill or like I'm just like very
Immune to it.
immune or I just don't care.
For me specifically, the struggle never felt like struggle because I started enjoying my struggle, if it makes sense. तो मतलब मैं अगर कोई struggle करता था ना तो मैं ये सोचता था कि किसी दिन इंटरव्यू पे बैठ के मैं बताऊंगा कि मैंने कितनी स्ट्रगल की. तो आई
हुआ ना वो मोमेंट.
नहीं मतलब अब बाकी यार अभी तो कहाँ यार अभी तो मुझे लग रहा है कि बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा आगे जाना है. अभी तो कुछ भी तो इस एक्चुअली ये सवाल बहुत ही अहेड ऑफ इट्स टाइम है.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
You guys are adorable. How can you not like them? Look at them. देखोगे तो कितना सीखोगे आप
I
लोग.
want to tell you all something about एहसास. ठीक है मैंने इसके साथ काम नहीं किया था बट मैं उसके बारे में जानता बहुत था.
जी.
बचपन से ही देखा था यार.
Correct.
तो जब मैं पहली बार मिला मेरे को बहुत स्वीट सी प्यारी सी लड़की और मैंने ना बिल्कुल प्रिपेयर नहीं किया था. और उसने कहा मैंने भी बिल्कुल प्रिपेयर नहीं किया. जब सेट पे पहुंचे तो ये इतनी सही एक्टर है क्योंकि हमारे ना सारे सीन्स साइमल्टेनियसली चल रहे हैं एंड लॉन्ग टेक्स है. तो पूरे 4 पन्ने इसको याद है.
Oh damn.
और मतलब expression on point, सब कुछ on point, हाँ.
You're the front bench in school also, no?
No Ray. I was a very bad student.
But no, I really enjoyed working with you.
I enjoy working with you.
Seriously.
और हमारी टेक्स ना वो जो लॉन्ग वाला टेक था वो अगर बीच में छोटी सी भी गलती हुई तो फिर से शुरू करना है. ठीक है हमको बहुत लंबा टेक.
लंबे मोनोलॉग्स वाले.
करेक्ट. तो वो हमने 2 बार में कर दिया. Which I was thinking मतलब डायरेक्टर
क्योंकि
प्रोड्यूसर
आप भी बहुत बढ़िया है ना एक्टर.
ओहो.
I was fishing for compliment.
Yeah.
We compliment each other. Like I think मेरी better performance आपकी better
नहीं
performance.
बट मुझे ऐसा लगा कि you know जब को एक्टर अच्छा था तो आप अच्छा कर ही लेते हो.
वही मेरे साथ भी हुआ है.
और ये को एक्टर थोड़ी है तो को स्टार है.
अरे जाओ ना.
How sweet, yeah. But this is
क्या चीजी लाइन बोली यार वो कैरेक्टर निकल ही नहीं रहा.
हाँ मतलब जहन में जैसे कि आपको ऐसा this is just like a glimpse into what is
इतनी चीजी लाइनें मारी है